Hello everyone, how are you all doing? so sometimes this year, I think few months ago, I can't remember, I recorded this video with my boys because they insisted they wanted us to do a video, and after much pressure, we did this video, but I didn't have time to edit it. So I was going through my files and I was clearing up something, and I came across this video, and I thought to put it together to also lay my voice out there to let you know that bloopers are real and it's not easy to create content. Mega shout out to all the content creators out there. So watch this video. It is raw, unedited. You are going to see our mistakes, and but we eventually came up with something good. Please like this video, watch it and share. I'm sure it will put a smile on your face. Welcome, welcome, especially my returning subscribers. And if you are just feeling my face, please join the family. We need you here. You're welcome. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? If you see my face for the first time, my name is Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV. You are welcome. I'm a YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. So today I have some co-hosts with me. Like I said, my name is Seth. Meet my co-host. Can we meet you? What's your name?
My name is Seth.
And what's your name?
My name is Sean.
You are welcome. Thank you for coming, Seth, and thank you for coming, Sean. So guys, today we are all about some games, and I'll tell you what inspired this game.
Yay! I'm excited for games.
Yes, Sean is excited. So we're going through the phone together, and we saw some TikTok video, and they got excited, and they said, "Oh, mommy, let's do a video together." So I came up with some questions, and then we're going to add the TikTok video to it. Please, if you are watching this video, kindly like the video, share us out if you can, and drop us a comment after watching. So we go.
Yes.
How old are you? How old are you?
5 years old.
You 5 years old. How old are you?
7.
7 and 5. Okay. What is something mommy always say? Seth, you go first. What's that thing that mommy always say every time? Like she can say it many times a day.
That I'm a lion.
You're a lion? Yes. I always tell Seth that he's a lion, so when he goes to school, children don't get bullied. He doesn't get bullied. I tell him he's a lion because the lion of the tribe of Judah is Jesus, and he's a lion. He has the spirit of a lion. Yes. So I always say that you are a lion. You have to act like one. What does mommy always say, Sean?
Do not say that Seth's a snail.
Do not say that Seth is a snail. Yes. What else do mommy always say?
To make Seth go fast home.
Seth, what else do mommy always say?
To go fast to school, like walk fast.
Yes. So he goes to school alone. So when he goes to school, I tell him to walk fast. Because Sean, you said mommy always say keep the iPad. I always also say that. So we go to the next question. How does mommy make you happy? If I want to make you happy, what did I normally do? Sean, you go first.
Oh.
How does mommy make you happy?
He's a story.
Does that make you happy?
Yes.
How does mommy make you happy, Seth?
I don't know.
You guys are not going to. My name is Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV. So today I'm here with my champion. You know, they are my champion. They are my babies. They are my big boys. You know, they are my co-hosts for today. So if you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV. I'm a YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. So let's meet our guest. So let's meet you. What's your name?
Seth.
What's your name?
Seth.
What's your name? What's your name?
Sean.
Yeah. So how old are you?
7.
How old are you?
5.
This is Seth, is 7, and this is Sean, he is 5. Say welcome, family.
Welcome, family.
Okay, let's go. What is something mommy always say? What does mommy always
To
say?
be fast.
to be fast, not to walk like a snail. Okay, to be fast. When you are going to school, you need to walk fast. So Sean, what does mommy always say?
Do not say bad language.
Do not say bad language. Bad language is not accepted. What makes mommy happy? What makes mommy happy?
Listen.
When you listen to mommy, mommy is happy, right? What makes mommy happy, Sean?
That we walk fast like a lion.
That you walk fast like a lion, you walk smart, you walk sharply. So, what does mommy like doing? What does mommy like doing?
Mommy, can I go first?
Mommy likes cooking, okay?
I want to say that mommy likes cooking.
I like doing other things. What do I like doing again?
Mommy, I just want to say cooking.
Okay, say something else. What do mommy like doing? What do mommy like doing?
Going to church.
Yeah, mommy like going to church. Mommy like doing her videos. Mommy like doing so many things. So, what is our favorite?
Mommy! I can't say something.
Okay, what do mommy like doing, Sean?
Cleaning the kitchen and cooking.
Yeah, mommy likes cleaning the kitchen and cooking. We'll take one thing mommy likes and then we'll go to the TikTok question. What makes mommy sad?
That I cry.
Oh, so mommy doesn't like you crying. What makes mommy sad, Sean?
When I draw, mommy broke heart from Sean.
Okay, when you draw a broken heart to mommy from Sean. Yeah, so Sean likes drawing and sometimes he draws me an heart to say, mommy, I love you. But when he's sad, he draws a broken heart, like mommy broke my heart. And when I see that, that makes me sad. I love you, Mom. I love you, said. Now we go to our TikTok question.
Yay!
Who is more friendly? Who is more friendly? Me or Seth?
I think you.
Mommy is more friendly. Second by Seth, then Sean. Okay. Who is more annoying? Sean. Who sings the most? Mommy. Who takes more time to dress? Seth.
No, Sean.
Is you said. Okay, let's go to the other. Who has more friends? Who has more friends? Mommy.
No, you.
Okay, tell us. What's the name of your friend? Do you have friends?
Yes.
What's the name of your friend?
Fabio.
Fabrizio, your teacher is your friend. Seth, what's the name of your own friend?
Fabrizio.
Okay, Fabrizio. Okay, anyway.
Oh, but our friend is Fabrizio, but kind of stop being big. So that means what I have to play with is Fabrizio.
Okay, we'll go to the next question. Who eats the most? Who eats the most? Sean. Who cleans the house? Mommy. Who cooks the food? Who spends the most? Seth.
I spend the most money on games.
Yes, we spend more money on Seth than anybody.
On
Who reads the most? What's your favorite food, Seth? What's your favorite food?
Crayfish and white rice.
Wow, crayfish and white rice. What's your favorite fruit?
Rice and stew and ravioli.
Rice and stew and ravioli. Who love mommy the most? Both of you.
Yeah.
So what else can we ask now? I think that's all, guys. So I hope you are happy to meet my co-host. Please rate us in the comment section. Did you think we did well or we did not do well? Do you want us to do this again? I just thought to involve them because they were disturbing me. They want to face camera. And we are recording this video on a Sunday evening. after church, after chilling out at home. So thank you all for watching. Please like the video, thumbs up for our video, and subscribe. Guys, say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say we love you.
We love you.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get on. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get on. We entertain and bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter of something to enjoy. Estas Chronicles TV. Look for we get on. Estas Chronicles.